Hello everyone and welcome back to TsetsTransport. Yep, it is about time that I unbox yet again another new phone. Today it is the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple. In this video I'll be showing you the unboxing process and all the accessories I bought along with it, and a camera test towards the end of the video. I will be doing a voiceover as this following unboxing part is muted. It's just here's the phone case, just before was the screen protector, and just here is the phone. So once again, it is an iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple, 256GB if you want to even know that. But yeah, that's the phone there, and we will now get on to peeling off the tabs to then open up the phone. And this is my attempt at showing you what is inside the box. Just a USB-C to Lightning charging cable, and then a couple little thingamajiggies, accessories, I don't know, and then little papers, terms and conditions, an Apple sticker, which I'm trying to find now, and then a SIM card tray pick lock thingy majiggy. But yeah, that's what's inside the box, and we will now get to peeling off the tab on the phone. Here we go. Okay, so that's the unboxing. I'll now be going on to a couple camera tests on the phone, including the new action mode. So here it is on the 3x zoom camera, also with the new audio test. Here it is. Okay, so this is the action mode just there. Now I am now going to be heading on to some train spotting. I found a good curve just after Torella Station, located between Walla Creek and Torella. So here are some trains with me testing out the new cameras and audio. This will be going for about 2-3 minutes or so, and it will also feature a cancelled M-set still with passengers on board. So we'll see that in just a second. Here it is now. What is approaching just now is what I believe is a cancelled train. This train was running extremely late, and according to any trip it's been cancelled. It is approaching at a very slow speed. It's in fact stopped. So yeah, it is definitely an M-set. So I'll see what happens here. There also is another train bound towards Macarthur, I believe. It's just about to come around the corner as well, so I'll get that. Here it slowly comes now. So yeah, once again, this train was cancelled due to major delays. It is not in service. Okay, that's a bit confusing. There are passengers on board, yet it is not stopping. So I believe this train may be ending at Walleye Creek or something like that. M17 is the rear forecast. Here it goes, speeding up now. And then we have Macarthur train. Alrighty everybody, it is now time to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my new iPhone 14 Pro. Just after this clip, I'll show a quick little bit of the new dynamic island, me testing it out using music. But apart from that, that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.